This is Tom, and I'm going to be showing you a little bit about the work that I've been doing in our Moodle for Teachers EVO 2013 course. And there we are. You can see some of us are online now. And I'm just going to jump over to, this is Moodle as I have it installed on my own website, which is bestenglish123.com/Moodle. And I have here, I've set up a course which I just called Test Course 01. That's just my own practice area. I have here week 01, and this is using a text I came across which I thought was very nice in very, very simple English, and talking about a technical subject, electricity, electric wire, Thomas Edison, in some very simple English. And I'll just take you through a little bit of this. We have here, this is a page, an HTML page, which I created in Moodle. And this is the text electric wire. And I'll just go back. I use this as an opportunity to add a lot of different type of activities. And here, say I believe this one is a link called the incandescent lamp. And you can see this one links to a YouTube video. So that there is just the link. I'm trying to go back, just going a little bit slowly. So this item here is a link. Here I created a forum. I'll open that one up too. Forum, electric wire. And it just says here, this is a forum for you to post any questions you have about the article Electric Wire, or thoughts you had after reading it. I'm not going to add anything to it right now. We'll go back to that week and I'll see what else I've added there. I have here a quiz. This was very interesting, creating this item. And you see here it says summary of your previous attempts. That's because I was checking out the quiz and I began doing it. So I'm going to click here, continue the last attempt. And here you can see this is the quiz. Question 1. Thomas Edison chose to use carbon in his electric light bulb because. And this one here is a multiple choice. I'm going to choose that he chose to use carbon because carbon does not melt. Question 2. This is a true-false question. I'm using copper in my wire circuit. That means that if I want better conduction, the ability to carry more electricity, that is less resistance, then I should use very thin wire. I'm going to make a mistake and say this is true. I have here question 3. This is I wanted to try out the essay question, and so it says use your imagination. What would life be like if we didn't have electric light bulbs? I'll just write very dark. That, of course, does not really fulfill the requirements of this quiz, but that's what I wrote in. Next. One, two, three answered. Submit all and finish. See what comes up here. Once you submit, you will no longer be able to change your answers for this attempt. Submit and finish. There. Question number 1 correct. Question number 2 I intentionally made false. That answer was incorrect. A thicker wire is a better conductor. Question 3 obviously is not graded because the teacher would have to go in and manually review that. And I'm going to go back, see if I can get back to this week. I noticed I have to click on the name of the course to get back there. That was the quiz. Here I have the survey. This was interesting. It was interesting. It has all these different questions about asking the student about the learning process. I think this is called the COLLE type survey, but it really is my learning focuses on issues that interest me. What I learn is important for my professional practice. All these very good questions, but I don't know, 26 questions, 25, 26 questions. That's a little bit too much, but I was interested to see what this is. And then I put in a wiki. I have a wiki here. Over here I have additional material. And here I have a YouTube video embedded on the page, and I can play it. The user can play it simply by clicking. Although this video is actually on YouTube. This Moodle is hosted on my website, and the video is hosted on YouTube, which is nice because I don't want my server, my website, to be serving video that's going to use up all my bandwidth. And to embed that, all I did was I had to paste in the YouTube link using the link button. I'm going to see if I can do that now. I'm going to update. Oops, that's not what I wanted. I wanted here. Update. That's the wiki. Here, update. Here, I'm just going to go over to this video, this Thomas Edison video, which I've already selected. Thomas Alva Edison, world's greatest inventor, with English subtitles. I'm going to click and copy paste here. Copy. I'm going to go back to my page, the tab there. Here, this is Thomas Edison, the greatest inventor. Seems like those got a little mixed up with the... I'm just going to try it like this. See, here I'm using the link button. Link URL. Oops. There we go. Insert. And we'll see how that looks. Save and display. And here I've added Thomas Edison, the greatest inventor, and this is on YouTube here. Okay, I guess that's enough of an introduction to what I've done with what I've learned in this class. It's been a great class. Thanks so much, Nelly, and all the other teachers. Thank you.